Look what I'm finding.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, yellow leaves. Pretty soon it's going to be red maple foliage. The only thing yellow is going to be school buses rolling.
No, wait, does that mean...
Yeah, autumn's back, and so are we, with another do-it-yourself hiking challenge. I'm Dave Anderson with the Forest Society.
And I'm Carrie Deegan, and we're here to share a fall family fun opportunity that you can look forward to.
Autumn is the best time for hiking in New Hampshire. No more heat, humidity, biting insects.
Fall is warm days, clear skies, and cool nights, not to mention pumpkin spice everything.
Really? Fall is also the Forest Society's 5 Hikes Challenge. The new and improved for 2022 5 Hikes Challenge features 28 unique and scenic walking or hiking destinations on Forest Society conservation land in New Hampshire.
Maps and directions to reach some of our very best staff-recommended trails to scenic shorelines and summits. The views and adventures that you and your friends and family can put on the fall must-do list for weekend fun.
These excursions include less crowded places you may not likely have heard a lot about, and they offer opportunities to get outdoors for some healthy exercise.
We took care of packaging them for you, and all you need to do is pick your favorite 5. You will receive the collectible all new for 2022 birch bark themed neck gaiter.
So I don't know, all these have good summits. Well, which one do you think you want to do first?
I'm not sure.
Well, I'm going to do this one, right? I'm going to do the Conservation Center in Concord right here.
Hey guys.
Oh, here's how you can register.
Head on over to forestsociety.org/5hikes.
All of these conservation lands have been protected by the Forest Society.
And as always, all our members participate in 5 hikes for free.
So consider joining the Forest Society today to participate in the 5 Hikes Challenge and support our mission of protecting trails and forests in New Hampshire.
See you out there.